Let me show you how to use a green screen in Capcut on your computer. It's easier than you think. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open up Capcut and import both the green screen footage and the background video or image. To do this, click on the Import button on the left, find your files on your computer, and click Open. Once they're imported, drag the background video or image onto the timeline as the first layer. Next, drag your green screen video onto a video track above the background layer in the timeline. This places your green screen footage on top of the background. Click on the green screen video in the timeline to select it. On the top right-hand side of the screen, you'll see the Adjust and Effects tabs. Look for the Chroma key option, which is located in the video settings. This is where you can remove the green screen. Check the box next to Chroma key to enable the effect. Once enabled, you'll notice the green screen background starts disappearing, and your background layer will show through. Now, click on the color picker next to the key color and select the green area of your video. This will remove the color from the footage and make the green transparent. You may notice some green spill or shadow around your subject after removing the green background. To fix this, adjust the strength slider, increase the strength to get rid of any remaining green, but be cautious. Too much strength may also remove parts of your subject. Play around with the slider until you've removed most of the green without affecting the subject too much. Next, fine-tune the edges of your subject by using the shadow slider to eliminate any dark shadows that may have been cast by the green screen. If the edges of your subject are too harsh or sharp, use the feather slider to soften the edges and make the transition look more natural. If your subject isn't aligned with the background properly, you can adjust its position and scale. Click on the green screen video in the preview window and drag it to move it around. Use the corner handles to resize the subject, making sure it fits within the frame and looks good with the background. Once you're happy with the result, preview the video to ensure the green screen effect is seamless throughout the clip. If everything looks good, click the export button in the top right-hand corner of the screen to save your video. And that's it! You've now successfully used a green screen in Capcut on your computer. I hope this video's helped.